Imagine this, you're casually scrolling through drone news on a morning when out of nowhere, boom, Insta360 drops 2 leaked drones. Not concept art, not half-baked prototypes. These look real, polished and ready to fly. Insta360, best known for turning action footage into visual poetry, just crash-landed into DJI's airspace. If DJI was lounging on its drone throne, Insta360 just stormed in like, "Sup, we brought wings." And just like that, the skies got competitive. It all started when drone whisperer Igor Bogdanov unleashed 2 mysterious flying machines wrapped in zebra camo. Because of course they were. Zebra camo is the international symbol for yeah, this is real, but we don't want to say it yet. But what truly got people talking wasn't just the design. It was that glowing Insta360 logo stamped right on top. One drone, dubbed Antigravity, looks like it crash-landed from the future. The other? A more casual, traveler-friendly bird that screams, "Take me hiking." Insta360's message is loud and clear. We're not dipping toes, we're cannonballing into the drone game. Let's talk about the first beast, the Antigravity. Yes, that's literally printed on the shell. The design is unlike anything DJI has dared to do. Imagine a 360 camera inside the drone. No bumps, no mounts, no awkward angles. Just a slick, floating orb that films everything around it like a ghost cam from a sci-fi movie. And get this, if it's really what we think it is, you'll never see the drone in the footage. No props, no body, just pure immersive flight footage. That's next level, folks. Throw in GPS sensors, foldable arms, and you've got a serious rival to the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Air 3. DJI better buckle its seatbelt. Now, the second drone, totally different vibe, but just as exciting. It's compact, cute, and curved, like a pocket-sized assistant. No manual piloting, no complicated setup. Just toss it in the air and let it track you with cinematic smoothness. Ideal for vloggers, solo travelers, mountain bikers, or anyone who'd rather ride than fly. And if Insta360 adds their invisible selfie stick sorcery, oh boy. Your drone footage will look like it was shot by a floating film crew. Basically, this thing isn't a toy. It's a lifestyle companion with wings. And just when we thought things couldn't get juicier, Maro Tandoy hit Twitter with 2 freshly uncovered patents out of China. The first? A modular Insta360 drone with snap-off prop guards. The second? A dual fisheye lens monster designed for 360-degree panoramic footage. That's right. Insta360 isn't just dropping 1 or 2 drones. They're building a lineup, a full-blown ecosystem. Meanwhile, DJI is still testing its first 360 camera, and now Insta360 might beat them to the punch with a fully integrated flying 360 beast? That's got a sting. The message is clear. Insta360 isn't here to play. They're here to lead. So what's the takeaway here? Simple. Things just got real. Insta360 knows how to shake up an industry. They did it with cameras, they did it with editing software, and now they're aiming straight for DJI's Sky Throne. Are these drones officially confirmed? Not yet. But when zebra camo leaks, patents surface, and the internet starts buzzing, something big is coming. Whether you're a pro pilot or a weekend adventurer, the options are about to expand in a very exciting way. DJI, you've been warned. Insta360 just showed up at the party, and they brought fireworks. If you're hyped like we are, drop a comment with which drone excites you most, the Antigravity Phantom or the casual AI companion. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss our full breakdown the moment these drones officially launch. Insta360 versus DJI. This is just the beginning.